So good morning everyone. Today's question daily Leetcode is permutation in string. We are given two string s1 and s2. We have to return two if s2 contain a permutation of s1 or otherwise false. Let me just give you an example to help you understand this question. If suppose this is our question, we are given s1 and s2. We have to find whether permutation of s1 is present inside s2, which means that we have ab, its permutations are ba also. So whether its permutation is present in this string or not, and ba is present, so answer will be true. Again, example 2 is we have ab and its permutations are again ab and ba, and none of them are present over here. B and A are present as a subsequence, but it is not a sub-array. So answer will be false. So how to approach this question is, brute force is that we will generate all the permutation of S1 like A, B and BA, and then we will match all the permutations individually with the S2. So this would take factorial n time to generate all the substring permutations, and then for matching we will take n time. So better approach would be sliding window plus anagrams. So we will make a hash of this, and we will continuously make hashes like this using a sliding window, and we will check whether these are matching or not. So how it will look like is, so this will how our initial setup will look like. We will have s1 hash and s2 hash. We will count the frequency of a, b, c or the s1 inside the s1 hash, and then we will move to s2 hash and we will place initial setup. We will find the frequency of these. So this window will contain abd, which will be a, b and d, and see we have frequency 0. Then we will check whether these two hashes are equal or not. They are not. So what we will do is, we will have our right over here and left over here. We will move our right over here. We will add b frequency, so b will become 2, and we will reduce l frequency, which is d, which will be again 0. So this will look like this, and now we will check for this window BAB. So now again the two hashes do not match. So what we will do, we will move R by 1 and add C's frequency. C will be 1, and we will reduce L's frequency. L is B, we will make B 1, and we will move L forward. Now we are checking for this section or this window. So now the S1 or S2 hashes match, and this will return a true. This sliding window will happens until it get true or our right reaches R2 dot size. So the time complexity for this will be alphabet multiplied by length of S2. This is how our code will look like. We will create a S1 hash, then we create a S2 hash, and we will have both the lengths. If S1 length, we will check the base case that if S1 length is greater than S2 length, which means that we have three elements like A, B, C and A and B over here. So it is evident that the S1 length is greater, so it can never contain in this S2. So we will return false. So, and then we will have a left right pointer for this window, left and right, like this, and initially they both will be 0. What we will do is, we will check for the initial window. We will create these two this one, and this one for window, this initial window from S1 these three characters, and S2 for these three characters. And then right will be initialized a step back, and right will iterate over the L2 until right reach the end of the S2 length. We will initially check whether S1 or S2 hashes are equal or not. If they are equal, we will return true. If they are not, we will move forward. We will do the right plus plus, sure that it is at the initial of the window, and then we will check whether right have not reached the end of the string S2. If it have not reached the end, we will add its frequency, and we will also reduce the left's frequency and also increase the left by 1, and we will iterate over this whole thing. And if we never found that we never found a true, we never found that there hash1 and hash2 are equal, we will return false, that there was no permutation existing in S2. So this is how our answer will look like. Thank you.